Hi Scorpions, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for October 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle decks that I have here. Scorpions, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading, Scorpions. Towards the final days of September, stepping into October 2021, we have the Six of Wands. Certainly, the spotlight was on you. I think your appreciation had come in for your talents. Besides, I think you were quite intuitive. In fact, everyone agreed that your foresight was spot on. Money had also come in this time. But maybe some of you may have felt that someone was unethical or not honest with respect to financial matters. Obstacles to overcome or the challenges that October is going to present for Scorpions worldwide is the Queen of Pentacles. Certainly things will come out in the open, things will be revealed. I think you will also be quite kindly disposed. Though you will make gains, I think you should look at the larger picture as well. Perhaps Scorpions, you need to assert yourself rather than let people take advantage of you. There could also be some health concerns as well this month. Influences for this October, we have the Star card. Minor gains are quite likely. I think you're also somebody who's going to be dealing with past life issues here. You will also have those insightful dreams. There could also be a twist in your routine, so be prepared or be flexible in your approach. The first 10 days of October, we have the Four of Wands. A pleasant surprise is certainly in store for you. I think your concern will also be the home. Maybe you want harmony within your home or within your relationships. But sometimes you should be careful because your words could be misinterpreted or your loved ones seem to misunderstand you. Those of you who are employed or those of you who are working, I think you will be somebody who wants to complete as much as you can do. Maybe you are going to push the envelope this month. Besides, I think you will seek divine guidance and carry on purposefully. Your superior or your boss is also going to be someone who will acknowledge your talents because you're someone who is quite purposeful. Your creativity is also something which is going to be noticed. In fact, your superior also knows or understands very well that you're way ahead of the pack, even if there are colleagues who are jealous, but he understands that you're quite forward thinking. In fact, in your boss eyes, you're a creative genius. This month you also have to be prepared because the pressure of work could mount. I think paperwork or technical work is also quite likely. For some of you, it's also possible that you want to renovate your home or you want to do spiritual cleansing as well. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th October, we have the Seven of Cups. Certainly there are choices ahead of you. Maybe there are options. You see this lady here in this card. She is deliberating which cup to choose. Maybe you'll also be somebody who's going to be gripped by nostalgia. Even in relationships, I think you want to do away with the restrictions that are there or the limitations that are there. Some Scorpions will also complain about the salary. Maybe you think that the work pressure is mounting on you, but then the salary is not at par with the effort that you're putting in. Nevertheless, Scorpions, I think your competence is going to be quite visible in this time, even if the boss doesn't acknowledge it to your face. But behind the scenes, it could be discussed. Incidentally, we also did pick up another card, which is the Queen of Swords. So certainly you're going to be quite detached and aloof. You'll be businesslike, or you want to be someone who's quite focused on career matters. You have the ability to get a lot of things done, even though you seem to be under pressure. I think you will handle the pressure with aplomb. Sometimes you're going to hurry with the task because you feel that time is at a premium. First 21st to 31st October, we have the Eight of Pentacles. Many of you, you could be wanting to polish your skills. You see this lady here, she seems to be involved in a creative venture, or she is busy with some kind of work. Her hands seem to be full. That is why maybe you could be dealing with paperwork or technical work. Ideally, I think while dealing with clients also you should stick to your guns. You should ask for more. Maybe your schedules could be altered in this time, but you're somebody who has to bide your time. You have to wait for the opportunities. Work-related recognition is also on the cards this month. I think your contributions is going to be acknowledged. You're going to be singled out. I think this is also the time, Scorpions, when you should listen to the viewpoint of others. Maybe you should not be too set in your ways. Gadgets could also affect you this month. Maybe there's going to be repair work which is underway at home. Nonetheless, Scorpions, I'm also picking up that you should be careful because there's going to be backstabbing or rivalry. With respect to your love life, Scorpions, we have this card, cycles. You see this lady or she's facing the moon, so maybe you're also somebody whose mood is swinging this month. Possibly you're coming across as someone who's quite emotional and intuitive as well. So even with respect to matters of the heart, you should pay attention to your sixth sense. Incidentally, we did have the star card here, which talks about a past life connection here. So maybe the moon and the stars are talking about your destiny. Like I said, Scorpions, you could be gripped by nostalgia, so maybe you will think you had your chances with the opposite sex, but then you did not take them. Maybe you're going to reminiscence about the past options that you have. Many Scorpions, I think you will be observing the signs around you. Maybe the signs in nature are confirming that the person you're in love with is feeling the same way. Those of you who are romancing, I think there'll be discussions with respect to work. I think your lover is somebody who's going to acknowledge your talents, and this means that you will be going overboard or you'll be over the moon. However, I think Scorpions, you should be careful with your words. Sometimes we can say something which is unpalatable, and that is why I think your person could go quiet. Sometimes, conversations could also be interrupted because your person could be bogged down on account of work. Largely, I think you desire commitment from this person. You don't want everything to be going round in circles. You don't want the cycle to repeat itself. Rather, you want to move forward with this person. Some of you could also come across a former lover, but you have moved on. Incidentally, we do have this card 999. Completion of a cycle is near. Profound lessons are at hand. Both the cards seem to talk about cycles in your life this month. So like I said, you don't want to get into a relationship with a former lover. You want to move on from that situation, or you want commitment from the person. Some kind of ending is also on the cards for Scorpions this month. Married Scorpions, I think you'll be a bit concerned because your partner or your spouse is somebody who conceals things from you, or perhaps you're dealing with a very overbearing partner who wants everything his way. Perhaps he is way too assertive. That is why you're going to resent his overbearing nature. Incidentally, the number 9 also talks about you being quite emotional or sensitive. I think harsh words could upset you. That is why I think it would be best to keep away from such situations. Incidentally, Archangel Raphael is also asking you to go ahead with the detoxification program. Maybe like I said, this is also completion of a cycle, so you need to detox a bit. You need to let go of the harsh energies. Possibly, some of you could be quite sensitive to chemicals this month. Maybe you should go in for a very natural diet, devoid of preservatives, sugar or other chemicals. Maybe you should try alternative healing methods as well. For some Scorpions, it could also imply you need to avoid alcohol, nicotine, caffeine, or even sugar. Largely, I think you should use organic food, or you need to use organic stuff within your household or within your environment. Maybe you should also do purification rituals this month. I hope Scorpions, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.